Ride around town with my beat on slump. Double by my side, case a nigga won't phone. Got hella money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Ride around town with my beat on slump. Double by my side, case a nigga won't phone. Got hella money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Yeah. Wake up in the morning, get my keys and hit the door. I slow on the move, like a fish in my throat. Mama cooking breakfast, little cousin on the post. Dope fiends coming as I cross and I approach. No, I ain't got it, man, you know where you can go. Hop in my Chevelle, pick up, man, hit the scope. Louis up my afternoon, Gucci up some more. Might tear down Neiman before I'm back to the O. Back to the lab, make slaps like I'm mad. But really I'm as cool as a motherfucking fan. Maybe off the head, maybe with the pen and pad. Either way, when I let off, niggas finna hit gas. Hustler extraordinary, bag full of cash. All rubber bands about the size of your trash. I could exercise just by picking up a stash. Running grab 50 thou at your bottom, bitch. I ride around town with my beat on slump. Double by my side, case a nigga won't phone. Got hella money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Ride around town with my beat on slump. Double by my side, case a nigga won't phone. Got hella money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Live life broke, nigga, I just can't do it. Little yellow Bob Carter walking down Coolidge. Hopped in, knocked in, thicker than a Buick. How you think I got a man Carter with the toolage? Insane pimp gang, rap star, big. Wipe down season for believing in the program. One hold down, got back, hit town, up 39 on a truck. Money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Ride around town with my beat on slump. Double by my side, case a nigga won't phone. Got hella money, but a nigga won't mow. Baby wanna holler, cause you know I'm about dough. Team spit cream, uncut raw. Yeah, that shit that you be shaking in your mayonnaise jar.